Hey everyone, it's Sean from Craft Elements, and last week we released a bunch of new templates. We've got some samples of what those templates create here. Of course, the templates are an acrylic template. You can find them at craftelements.com. We've got our Coffee Cup 1 template, which is very, very cool. Integrated handle. We've got our Coffee Cup 2 template, which kind of looks more like a teacup, but you get the idea. We've got our oblong dual handle template, and featured in this, we've got our inlay template, our heart inlay template, which actually has 5 different sets of hearts. So you can create inlays that you can do resin backfilling with, or if you have a bushing kit, you can do actual wood heart inlays. Very, very cool. We've got our brass knuckles bottle opener template. Very, very small template, but obviously makes brass knuckle shaped functional bottle openers. Over here we've got our light bulb template, which I guess could be art, or could be a sign, or could be a charcuterie board with that built-in handle. The last template I want to mention is our small wine bottle template with integrated wine bottle opener. That's a tongue twister. So this actual template is 2 templates in one. We cut the wine bottle opener template out of the larger small wine bottle template. So basically you get a template to make both these things, a wine bottle shaped bottle opener and a small wine bottle tray. All of these templates are available now, as well as 300 other more templates at craftelements.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your week.